Over the last few weeks, my social media feed has been completely flooded with these blind box figures of cute characters wearing shark suits. I could not stop thinking about them. So I did what any crocheter would do. I decided to make my own. Today, we are making the ultimate kawaii mashup, the viral shark Hello Kitty. It looks like a ferocious little shark is eating her, but she's just chilling inside. It is the perfect mini size for a trendy keychain or a backpack charm. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I made the kitty head, the tiny red bow, and the secret to crocheting the open shark jaws. Grab some yarn and let's crochet my new current obsession. We are starting with white yarn to make the kitty head. It's a standard amigurumi sphere. We start with a magic ring of 6 single crochets and increase steadily until we hit 30 stitches. We will do 4 straight rounds of 30 stitches to build the height, and then begin our decreases. Before you close it up, make sure you stuff the head nice and firm so it holds its shape inside the shark hood. To make her recognizable, we need her ears and her bow. The ears are a quick little chain 3 with a single crochet and double crochet back down. Now, for the bow, I do a magic ring with chains and half double crochets to make a perfect, delicate little red bow. Now for the fun part, the shark suit. Using our blue yarn, we start at the tail end with a magic ring of just 4 stitches. We increase steadily over 13 rounds until we hit 30 stitches, creating this nice cone shape for the shark's body. But wait, don't cut your yarn. We aren't going to close this in a circle. We need to create an open mouth. To do this, we are going to stop working in rounds and start working back and forth in flat rows. For the upper jaw, we crochet across 19 stitches, chain 1, and turn our work around. Every time we turn, we are going to do a decrease at the beginning and the end of the row. You will watch this flap taper down into a triangle. Once the top jaw is done, we reattach our blue yarn to the 11 stitches we left empty on the bottom and do the exact same tapering process to make the smaller lower jaw. We quickly whip up a tail fin, a top dorsal fin, and 2 tiny side fins using chains and slip stitches. Sew all parts together. Do a makeup for the kitty for best result. Now for the best part, take your white kitty head and squeeze it right into the open jaws of the shark body. Finally, add a little ruffled white border around the mouth for teeth and embroider her little eyes, whiskers, and yellow nose. I am so obsessed with how this turned out. Add a keychain ring to the top fin and you have the coolest bag charm ever. Let me know in the comments what character you'd like to put in a shark suit next. Check out more cute free crochet patterns videos right above link. Subscribe and I'll see you next time.